Welcome back. We're still at the Farnborough Airshow and the theme is Agile Manufacturing. We'll focus on the future with major industry players and share with you what's in store for all of their future businesses and how to adapt to changing markets. Let's dive in.
We're here at Farnborough today for a roundtable this morning with our largest partner in Euronorth, Solid Solutions, to talk about hot topics like sustainability, business infrastructure and also supply chain management.
What potential value are you expecting customers to take away from it?
A great networking opportunity first of all, so a great chance for peer-to-peer discussion so they can learn key insights around those topics, and a great opportunity for Dassault Systèmes to learn about those insights so we can shape what we do and how we approach our customers in the future.
The key takeaway from here is there's some great conversation around some really pertinent topics that the industry faces today, challenges. It's great to see and reflect on how some of the other companies in the industry are taking those challenges and facing them head on.
It was really good to meet with other people from sort of different parts of the industry and just talk about sort of common problems that we were having, some of the emerging technologies, what other people are doing, where things like battery technologies are going, electric vehicles. We had a couple of guys on our table from an aerospace and from a sort of vehicle sort of thing, so that was really good.
So what do we have here? Virtual scenario or real one?
In this context, we connect a virtual robotic station with a real control builder, a real PLC related and connected to the real machine on the shop floor. So having this connection helps the workers and the supervisor to make sure that before doing the physical commissioning, everything will be set up and all set for the physical installation.
So this is helpful to be more efficient, right?
Exactly, because you have to make sure that the programming of the machine, of the resource, are good enough to be installed, and also that you can perform such activities without stopping the production line.
Companies who are moving across into a unified digital platform, regardless of their size, need to just take their time, consider what their objectives are, and work closely internally and also work closely with their partners to ensure a smooth transition onto a unified digital platform.